Hey everybody, welcome back. Day 2 of my Technic Land Rover build. Yesterday's progress, day 1's progress. I got the back end built. Today I'm going to start bag 2, possibly bag 3. We'll see how much time there is. We'll play some music and show a time-lapse build again. I don't know, trying this out. Don't know if anybody will want to watch it. But anyways, I'm trying it. Have fun. See you later. Okay, so that wraps up building bag number 2. Currently, I basically have the entire vehicle built, at least the body of the vehicle. We still need to build the chassis. No, this is the chassis. We still need to build the body. My bad. I love the dark brown seats. I haven't done stickers on here because I need to take the stickers and modify them, which I'll explain in my next video. And most of the stickers right now are accessible, so I haven't bothered doing that yet. But steering column is right here. There is 4-wheel. There's the shifters. There's a high-low knob as well in here, which will shift between the different gear ratios, I guess. So I think that's actually for the back now that I see it. That there's so the part we built in the back wasn't actually a transmission, it was the differential, the rear differential, I think. The front transmission is basically right in the middle here. And then there's, like I said, steering. We have full suspension as well. There is a winch that does unravel, but there's also a locker on it, which I don't know how that's going to work when you have to. Oh, well, here's my winch cable here. There. So there's a. And I think I winched it the wrong way. Interesting. Well, I'll have to fix that too. Excuse my finger there. Anyway, it's got a winch cable, and I need to. Yeah, I totally did it the wrong way. So I'm going to have to redo that part. Which way is it that? There. Like this shouldn't lock out. Anyway, I'm going to fix that before the next video. So yeah, I will do another video in the next few days for bag 3, which is where the main surprise is, although you can kind of see it if you built this model. You kind of already know where I'm going with this, based by a color of the one single piece, 2 single pieces that are currently visible. Anyway, we'll talk to you later, and we'll do another video shortly.